Alright, picture this, you've got Beam Wallet, sleek, secure, and ready to go. But, what can you actually send to it? Ever found yourself staring at a list of tokens, scratching your head, wondering which ones are compatible? If you've been there, or if you're just curious about maximizing your Beam Wallet's potential, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the world of Beam Wallet compatibility, cutting through the jargon, and giving you a clear, concise breakdown of what you can send. Beam Wallet, as you might know, is built on the Beam network, a privacy-focused blockchain. This means it primarily supports assets within its own ecosystem, but it also interacts with other chains. First and foremost, you can send $BEAM, the native token of the Beam network. This token is crucial for transaction fees, governance, and participating in the Beam ecosystem. If you're using Beam, you'll definitely be using $BEAM. Beyond the native token, Beam Wallet supports a growing list of bridged assets. This is where things get interesting. Beam has been working hard to integrate with other blockchains, particularly through bridges. These bridges allow you to bring assets from other chains into the Beam ecosystem and consequently into your Beam wallet. Think of it like this: you have a bridge connecting two islands. One island is the Beam network and the other is, say, Ethereum. You can send certain assets across that bridge. Specifically, Beam supports wrapped versions of popular tokens from Ethereum and other EVM-compatible chains. Look for tokens like wrapped ETH, wrapped stablecoins like USDC and USDT, and other ERC20 tokens that have been specifically bridged to Beam. It's important to note that the availability of these bridged tokens can change as the Beam network evolves. New bridges and integrations are constantly being developed, so always double-check the latest supported tokens within your Beam wallet interface or on the official Beam website. Now, here's a crucial point: Beam is privacy-focused. This means that when you send tokens within the Beam network, your transactions are private. This is a significant advantage, especially if you value your financial privacy. However, it also means that some exchanges and services may have restrictions on dealing with Beam-based assets. So, to recap, you can send $BEAM, the native token, and a selection of bridged assets, primarily wrapped tokens from Ethereum and other EVM-compatible chains. Always verify the current list of supported tokens within your Beam wallet or on the official Beam resources. Stay updated with the latest developments in the Beam ecosystem, as new integrations and bridges are frequently added. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.